Infinit Ryda. Infinit Ryda. Infinit Ryda.
All right, so we're here at Independence Harley-Davidson today. As you can see, we got barbecue going on. There's tons of bikes. So this is what motorcycle life's like. They got the food going over here. There's bikes everywhere in the parking lot. Did you get your bike washed yet?
No.
No?
You need one.
You gonna get it washed?
I don't know, man. Can they clean them?
Yeah. Well, look, I mean, you know, best they can. Pull it around over there. And we got the girls washing the bikes right there. One over there. More bikes pulling up. Look who we got right here. We got Miles making a video. I'm pretty sure that's what he's doing. We got a road glide getting shined up.
Be careful, you're gonna walk around with a scar on your leg like me.
Got more bikes pulling up. We got more bikes pulling in. There's bikes over here. Bikes right there. And we got a parking lot full of bikes right there as well. So this is what motorcycle life is like for the most part. This bike is sweet. I like that. I've never seen something like that. That's creative. Check it out. I love this fat boy.
You better slow down. It doesn't shake? Oh yeah, over there. Oh, they shake when they go that fast?
And I can still have my cell phone up in the holder.
Y'all gotta check out this street glide we got right here. It's nice. So we got the Ducati out here.